welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi! I'm really glad you clicked on this video. I do hope by the end of it you will decide to become a part of the family by hitting that subscribe button and turning on your notification bell. So Heaven Panty and I have been friends for a while now, and a little over a year, or so a year's worth of panties from them. And I had switched up my quiz, so now I'm getting panties like this. I absolutely adore Heaven Panty. I think that they are a great company. Their customer service has been wonderful to me. They always do giveaways and different things, and I'm just all around, like, the colors, the fit. I am 5'6", about 115 pounds, and smalls fit me very, very well. This here is my newest panty. It has an MSRP of $15. I do know that you can get panties as low as $4.99, and I try them on. I will try them on for you guys, and if as long as they're not too revealing, I can try them on or post some pictures on Instagram. And I'll leave my Instagram in here because I do a lot of things over there that I don't do on YouTube. But these are super cute and they're super soft. So what I have done is, when I do a review of underwear, is that I try them on, I wear them, I wash them, and then I report back to you guys. So I have been using Heaven Panties, and I have all different styles. Everything from sexy to comfy to cute, all of that. And they have held up so well, so well. I can hand wash them. I can put them on delicate cycle. I've even dried them, and they have not shrunk, nothing. And of course, you know, that has to do with the fact that they're not 100% cotton, but I'll tell you what, they're super soft like they are, and they fit really, really well. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing that I do with all of my undies and try these on for you, wash them, and then report back. So I'll see you guys soon. Okay guys, so it's been a couple days and I've had the opportunity to try on my new Heaven Panties, and I have them on right now. I'm going to put a picture in here, or maybe a short video or something showing you the fit. They fit great. And I am wearing like leggings, but they're like the yoga pants, and you cannot see them at all whatsoever. Hopefully the camera will pick this up. You cannot see the lines. This, well, maybe a little bit here. Or is that just my butt? Anyhow, they do a pretty good job of hiding it. They're not the actual, they do have panties that actually you hide your underwear, and I can show you guys those in a future video, or I can put some clips in here from a previous video where I have used those. But anyhow, I just wanted you to get the feel of this. So now we're going to move on to washing them and wearing them a few more times before I complete this video. If you've got any questions right now, put that down in the comments below. I will do my very best to answer them, and I will see you in a couple weeks. Okay guys, so it's been like 2 weeks since I got my Heaven Panty order, and you guys were able to see how they mail it to me, and then you're able to see the try-on video of how it fits, and now I can update you. I've washed them and I've worn them, and again, I've told you guys this from the beginning when I first started getting PR from them, which was February 2020 or 2021, I don't know, it was one of those, but it's been over a year. Their underwear, I can even dry them and they don't change shape, they don't get lint on them, it's just a matter of they're really good quality. So I will leave Heaven Panty's information down in the description box or the comments, I'm not sure, and I will put my link there too. It is not anything for me. The link is simply a referral link. You're able to get $10, I believe. And then they might give me a $10 credit. I'm just learning I have a $30 credit with them, and then I'm guessing that's from you guys. So thank you very much, by the way. But if you do want to try them, they have expanded their sizes too. They start off from extra small and they go to 3X. So that's everything that I know. I will put their information down below. You can definitely check them out. And I'd love to hear anything you have to say about this company. If you've ordered from them, let me know. If you haven't tried them yet, let me know that too. And then, like I said, if I can answer any questions, I will. I'll see you guys real soon in another video.